Well, tracking more breaking news coming in at this hour, understanding that the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has predicted an economic tsunami, like he calls it. Rahul Gandhi has said in High Court that the country is heading towards internal revolt. He's even said that Modi may not remain the Prime Minister in the next year. So those are scathing allegations levelled by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, who has even gone as far as saying that the Prime Minister may not be the Prime Minister in a year. He's even said that the economic crisis could trigger turmoil in the country. An important comment coming in from the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, who has even predicted an economic tsunami in the country, saying that the country is now heading towards an internal revolt and that it is possible that the economic crisis could trigger a turmoil in the country.
ऐसी इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस आएगी हिंदुस्तान में जो आपने अपने लाइफ में नहीं देखी होगी। ये हो रहा है, इसको आप कोई रोक नहीं सकता है। दूसरी तरफ क्या हो रहा है, हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, सिस्टम के अंदर इंस्टीट्यूशनल रिवोल्ट हो रहा है। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के मैसेजेस मेरे पास आ रहे हैं। हेड ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम, सीनियर जुडिशरी, सारों के सारे रिवोल्ट कर रहे हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं हमें। तो जो कंट्रोल का सिस्टम था एक तरफ से, वो कोलैप्स कर रहा है। सिस्टम मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, मोदी जी के बारे में, शाह जी के बारे में, उनके बेटों के बारे में, मिनिस्टर्स के बारे में, अजीत डोवल के बारे में पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन है। धड़ाधड़ 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 हमारे सिस्टम से ही आ रहा है। अब यह हो सकता है कि जनता के प्रेशर को यह सप्रेस करने की कोशिश करें, इमरजेंसी जैसी चीज कर दे, हो सकता है। बट अब हम दूसरी स्टेज में जा रहे हैं। पहले हम फुल कंट्रोल स्टेज में थे, अब ये आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जा रहा है। मेरा असेसमेंट है, 1 साल के अंदर मोदी जी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं होंगे।
All right, my colleague Teshi also joins us on the broadcast with the latest updates coming in. Teshi, that's a very important remark, a scathing allegation that's been levelled by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. Walk us through the details. What exactly does he mean by an economic tsunami?
Well, absolutely. That's a quite big statement that's been given by Rahul Gandhi. He, in fact, stated that there is very uncertainty within the government and none of the people who hold the highest post in the constitution here within the government, they are also in fact very unhappy. He also in fact pointed out at the chief election commission as well, and later on he also in fact stated about the economic condition that the country is going to face. He claimed that the country is going to face economic crisis in some time, and also in fact made the biggest allegation stating that Prime Minister Modi will not be the Prime Minister after an year. These are the kind of statements that are being made by Rahul Gandhi. Now,